Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make duckduckgo browser as default search engine in Chrome browser. So firstly open Chrome browser and click on these three dots. Now click on settings. In the left corner click on search engine. Now click on manage search engines. Here you will find a list of search engine. So if you want to make default search engine DuckDuckGo, so click on these three vertical dots and click on make default. Now refresh Chrome browser. So you will see your default search engine is DuckDuckGo in Chrome browser. Hopefully you like this video, and by this easy and simple method you can know how to make DuckDuckGo as default search engine in Chrome browser. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.